So habitat song. Today we are just going to revise, and by the end of the class you will have a Google form for answer. I will post that Google form to you. You must answer and you must submit. Okay? Okay, give me a second. Let me drink water. Yes. So we were learning about habitat. We were learning what a habitat is. A habitat is a natural environment in which an animal or plant usually lives. Now, how this poem starts? Long, long ago, all the animals gathered to compete with each other. So they all gathered to compete with each other. Everyone loved everything that was on show. Can you see? All these were on show. Who were the judges? Who were the judges? Gala award function. It was gala award function. And who were the judges? Judges were the mighty ocean. Please listen to this. Please listen to this. You may have questions. So please listen to this. Who were the judges? There were 3 judges. 3 judges to judge the animals, right? Who were the 3 judges? The mighty ocean, the vast land, and the atmosphere. Do you remember? Who were the judges? The mighty ocean, the land, the vast land, and the atmosphere. Isn't it? Are you able to hear me? So these three people were the judges. So for what are they judging? Whom are they judging? They are judging the animals, isn't it? Whom are they judging? They are judging the animals who came to the gala award function. Now see, first we saw terrestrial animals. Who are terrestrial animals? Terrestrial animals are animals which live in deserts, plains and mountains. That means terrestrial animals live on land. All of you repeat with me. Terrestrial animals live on land. Terrestrial animals live on land. Now see, what do terrestrial animals say? They say that we are super sleuths. How the terrestrial animals are? They are super sleuths. Who are sleuths? Who are sleuths? Sleuths are people who solve crimes, spy, okay? Special information. They are like spies and they solve crimes. Now why do they say that they are super sleuths? Because the best burrows that they build. Can you see this rabbit? This rabbit is a super sleuth because secretly it has a way to find out what is happening, right? So remember, terrestrial animals are animals that live in land. And they call themselves as super sleuths because of the best burrows that they build. Okay. So we saw the vocabulary. Terrestrial animals are animals that live mostly or entirely on land. Terrestrial animals are animals that live mostly or entirely on land. Who are sleuths? People who look for information to solve crimes. Sleuths are people who look for information to solve crimes. So now let me come here. Yes, like spy. Yes, like spy, isn't it? Okay, now let me come here. Now I'm going to ask questions. Okay. So now let me call Nandini. Nandini, come to the queue. Now all others, without me calling, if you're coming to the queue, then I will mark you absent. So who wants to be absent? Yashwin wants to be absent. Fidan wants to be absent. Hashmita wants to be absent. Tanul wants to be absent. Sashwadan, Tanvi, Swastika, you all want to be absent, it seems. If you want to be absent, if you want to be marked absent, you stay in the queue. If you don't want to be marked absent, then you leave the queue. Only the children whom I am calling will come to the queue. So I am going to mark absent to Ori. So Meenal Singh, I am going to mark Meenal Singh as absent. I am going to mark Shanmuga as absent. Nitila is absent. Vidyut Aryan absent. Jaden absent. Okay, I am going to mark absent. For you all, I am going to mark absent. So in today's class, Meenal Singh, Shanmuga, Nitila and Vidyut Aryan are absent. If you are going to stay in the queue, I am going to mark you as absent. Only those who I am calling will come to the queue. Nitila, are you listening? Nitila, do you want to be marked as absent?
Now I'm present.
No, then why did you come to the queue? Did I call your name? Do not come to the queue without me calling your name. Do not come to the queue without me calling your name. Listen to what I am saying. Vidyut Aryan also can leave the queue. Now Nandini.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Nandini. So Nandini, you tell me. But who are terrestrial animals?
What, ma'am?
Who are terrestrial animals?
Terrestrial animals. Animals that live mostly or entirely on land.
Very good. So mostly or entirely on land, isn't it?
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Who were the judges?
Mighty ocean.
Okay.
The wasteland.
Okay. Vast land.
Atmosphere.
Very good. And atmosphere. So all these three were the judges, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Nandini. All of you clap hands for Nandini. She gave the right answer. So Nandini has given the right answer. Very good. Superb. Now next, let us go to the next. After terrestrial animals, what do we have? We have arboreal animals. After terrestrial animals, arboreal animals. So what about arboreal animals? Who are arboreal animals? Arboreal animals are animals that have strong limbs. Now, where do arboreal animals live? Where do they live? Any idea? Where do the arboreal animals live? They also live on the land, but the thing is, they always prefer to live on trees. They are also animals who live on land. Like terrestrial animals, these animals also live on land. They do not live somewhere in the sea, or they do not live in water. They live on land. But what is special about arboreal animals? They have very strong limbs. So they always live on trees and branches. Examples of monkeys. Have you seen monkeys? Mostly you can find them swinging in one or the other branch of a tree, right? But they also come to the land and they sit. Have you seen them? Do they always sit on the trees? Don't they come to the land? They also come to the land, right? So arboreal animals also come to the land. But the thing is, they have very strong limbs, and the top trees and branches is where we like to swing. So what do they say? What arboreal animals say? They say that they could be movie stars. Why? Because for the best grooves that they have got. What is groove? Dance moves, okay? So they say that arboreal animals always remember this our monkey friend, okay, who's dancing. Can you remember this image? While I was also teaching, I showed you the same slide, right? So here they are here talking about this arboreal animals. They say that we are movie stars. Why do they say so? Because they believe that they have got the best grooves. Terrestrial animals said that they are super sleuths, right? For the best burrows that they have got. Now here, arboreal animals says that they are movie stars because they have got the best grooves. So now let us come here, okay. Now let me call Sachin. Sachin can come to the queue. Sachin alone can come to the queue. Sachin, yes, very good. So Sachin, now
Yeah.
can you tell me about arboreal animals?
So they have very strong limbs.
Okay.
They swing on branches and they could be like movie stars.
Okay. They could be like movie stars. Why?
Yes.
Why do they call themselves movie stars?
I don't know, ma'am.
Don't know. Okay. That is because of the best grooves that they have got. Okay. They say that best grooves. Okay.
Okay.
They are swinging here and there, right? So they assume themselves to be dancing. That's why they say that they are movie stars. Clear? Yes. So thank you, Sachin. Good. You can appreciate Sachin. He has given the right answers. Now let us move to the next. So vocabulary, arboreal animals. Animals that live mostly or entirely on trees. Okay. And these animals are also land animals who live on land. Trees are in land, right? Mostly the arboreal animals who are living in trees, they live on land also. Now grooves. Grooves are dance moves. As I told, grooves are dance moves. Now coming to aerial animals. Aerial animals. So what do these aerial animals say? They say we fly, we glide, we soar. Soar is flying up above in the air. Okay. So what do they say? We fly, we glide, we soar up above in the air is where we best fare. We could be superheroes such unique capes we wear? They say that these aerial animals say that we are superheroes. Why do they call themselves as superheroes? Because they have got unique capes. They have got unique capes. Now, what is the? Let us learn the vocabulary. Aerial animals, animals that spend a large part of their lives flying in the air. So, aerial animals are animals that spend a large part of their lives flying in the air. What is glide? To move in an easy and continuous manner. So, what is glide? To move in an easy and continuous manner. Fan, travel. Have you seen birds? They keep flying, flying, flying all day. Sometimes they come down, but most of the times they keep flying. So, aerial animals clear? What is the meaning of soar? Eagles soar, meaning fly or rise in high in the air. Have you seen vultures and eagles? Where do they fly? They soar up above in the air. What is capes? Pieces of garment that hang loosely over the shoulders. Now, if you are not listening, if you are just looking here and there or switching on your TV and watching it, please remember we are also going to write a written test. So probably you will have to know the spellings. So please do not take it light. And please do not tell your mother when your mother asks you to do your work or learn. Please do not tell her that, Mama, I know everything. Please do not disturb me. Let me watch my favorite cartoon. Don't tell her that. Are you getting my point? Sit and learn the meanings. No one is going to ask you oral test. You have only one oral activity. But others, you have to know the spellings and you have to write. So sit and learn the spellings. May it be English, Tamil, science or social, whatever subjects that you are learning, spellings are important. So learn the spellings, okay? So the spelling of garment, the spelling of pieces, loosely, hung, shoulders, all those spellings are important. One day I will give you dictation test. One day I will give you dictation test and I will ask you to submit your work in the Google Classroom. Immediately, I will ask you to post in the Google Classroom. So please do not take it light. Learn the spellings also. Clear? So about aerial animals are animals that fly in the sky. Now let us go to the next animal, which is an aquatic animal. What is aquatic animal? Aquatic animals are water animals and their world is made up of fresh water